Hi students, this is T Balakrishna, chemistry lecturer, GPT Kottagudem. Our topic is energy of orbitals. Energy of orbitals. Energy of orbital is depending upon n plus L value. We already learned in previous part. The s orbital present in first orbit is called s orbital present in first orbit is called 1s. The orbital which is the s orbital which is present in second orbit is called 2s. The p orbital which is present in second orbit is called 2p. Okay. The s orbital which is present in third orbital is called 3s. The p orbital which is present in third orbital is called 3p. The d orbital which is present in third orbital is called 3d. The s orbital which is present in fourth orbit is called 4s. The s orbital p orbital present in fourth orbit is called 4p, and d which is present in fourth orbit 3d and 4f. We know these orbitals according to the quantum numbers. So here we are trying to which orbital is higher energy orbital, which orbital is lower energy orbital by using the formula. That formula is n plus L. That is n plus L value. We calculate the energy of orbital by using of n plus L value. You know the n is the principal quantum number, L is the azimuthal quantum number. How to identify this n and L value? For example, if we want to find out the energy of 1s orbital, 1s should compare with NLX. It compare with NLX. So here n is equal 1, L is equal S, not L is equal S. So here n is equal to 1, L is equal to S. L is equal to S means we already learned in azimuthal quantum number. The L is equal to 0, that is in a S orbital. So here L is equal to S means L is equal to 0. So what is the n plus L value of 1s orbital? Here n value is 1, L value is 0. So n plus L value is equal 1 plus 0, that is 1. That is 1. So it is a calculation of energy of orbital. So try to find out the energy of 2s orbital. How to calculate the energy of 2s orbital? You write here 2s. It compare with NLX. What is the n value? There is a formula to calculate the n plus L value. Energy of orbital, there is n plus L. What is the n value? 2. What is the L value? N value is 2. L value is SS means the L value is 0. So 2 plus 0, 2. That is the energy of second orbit. Take another example, 2p. What is the energy of 2p orbital? How to calculate the energy of 2p orbital? 2p is compared with NLX. So n is equal to L is equal p. So n is equal to L is equal p. It is in a quantum number. It is converted to numbers. What is the L value? The L is equal 1, that is in a p orbital. So you know L is equal 0, that is in s orbital. L is equal 1, that is in a p orbital. L is equal 2, that is in a d orbital. L is equal 3, that is in f orbital. These values are came from azimuthal quantum number. So p means L is equal 1. So what is n plus L value? N plus L is equal 2 plus 1, that is 3. 2 plus 1, that is 3. Okay. So there is a method to calculate the energy of orbitals. This is a process to find out the energy of orbital. So which orbital is high energy, which orbital is low energy, you find out by one diagram, that is a model. So we have a simple diagram to explain the energy of orbitals in a sequence order, that is in a Euler diagram. Here scientists easily explain the energy of orbitals. So right. 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s and 8s. Okay. Next 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p and 7p. Okay, right? Next 3d, 4d, 5d and 6d, 4f and 5f. These are the orbitals, s, p, d, f orbitals. Right, how to calculate the energy of orbitals? We have a formula to calculate the energy of orbital, that is En plus L. You know how to compare? For example, 1s it compare with NLX. N is equal 1, L is equal 0. So everyone compare with that one. So first one, you come to 1s. What is the N value? 1. What is the L value? 0. So 1 plus 0, 1. Come to this one. 2 plus 0, 2. What is the L value for s orbital? L is equal 0, that is an s orbital. So 3 plus 0, 3. 4 plus 0, 4. 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 0, 6. Is it clear? What is the energy of 2p orbital? This compare with NLX. What is the N value? 2. What is the L value? What is the L value? The L is equal 1, that is a p orbital. So L is equal, what is the L value? 1. What is the formula? N plus 1. N is equal to L is equal 1. So 2 plus 1, what is the value? 3. So what is the value? 3 plus 1, 4. What is the value? 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Oh, sorry, I forgot to write. 7 plus, what is L value? 0. S value 7. So 8 plus 0, 8. These are the thinking values are N plus L values. Okay. What is the N plus L values of this? Okay, right. Come to the third one, 3d orbital. What is the N plus L value? So it compare with NLX. N is equal 3. What is the L value? So L is equal to, that is in a d orbital according to the azimuthal quantum number. L is equal to, that is in a d orbital. So L is equal to d means what is the value? 2. So it can add 3 plus 2 because the formula is N plus L. Okay, 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 2, 7. 6 plus 2, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. Right. Next one, what is the L value is equal 3, that is a f orbital. Okay, right. It's an f orbital. So what is the N value to compare with NLX? N is equal 4, L is equal 3. So 4 plus 3, 7 and 5 plus 3, 8. So these are the N plus L values. These are the how to identify the energy of orbitals, which have lower N plus L value, that is the lowest energy orbital. Which have a lower N value, that is the lowest energy orbital. So in this diagram, which one is lowest energy orbital? So N plus N value is 1. N plus N value is 1. This is the lowest. So which one is the lowest energy orbital? So 1s is lowest energy orbital, is less than. Next one, what is N plus L value? Which is the lowest N plus L value? Next one is this one, 2. So next energy level is 2s. Okay, right. What is the next one? What is the next one? So come to this one. This 3s and 2p both have same N plus L values. Both have same N plus L values. This 2. But here 2p and 3s both have same N plus L values. So in this case, which one is the lowest energy orbital? The first condition is says which have high N plus L value, that is high energy orbital. Which have low N plus L value, that is a low energy orbital. But this both orbitals have same energy. So in this condition, how to consider? So if you have same n plus L value, you consider the n value which have low n value, that is the lowest energy orbital. So in these two, 2p is lower energy than 3s. Is clear? Right, next one. Come to one, this one. Next one, 3, next value is 4. But in this case also, 3p and 4s both have same n plus L values. So which one is the lowest energy orbital? Depending upon n value, this is the lowest energy orbital. This is a lowest energy orbital. This is a lowest energy orbital. Is it clear? It's the lowest energy orbital. So 3p is less than 4s. Is it clear? Right, next one. Come to the 4, next n plus L value highest energy orbital, this one, 3d, 4p, 5s is the order. So in this case, these three orbitals have same n plus L value, 5 and 5 and 5. Which one is the lowest energy orbital? Depending upon n value, which is the lowest n value? This is the lowest n value. Okay, right? So that means less than 3d. The next one is the 4p, and next one is 5s. So this is the increasing order of energy of orbitals. It's an increasing order of energy of orbitals. By using of which formula? N plus L formula. We calculate the energy of orbitals by using of n plus L value, principal quantum number and azimuthal quantum number. We find out the energy of orbitals. After finding out the energy of orbitals, we write the increasing order of energy of orbital. By using of this increasing order of energy of orbital, we write the electron configuration of every atom. That is called atomic structure. Because Bohr successfully explained the position of the protons and neutrons, successfully failed to explain the position of the electron. But by using of these quantum numbers, we say the position of the electron successfully. So this is energy of orbitals. Thank you students. Thank you very much.